Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Alright, today we are talking about my Tromboncios. Another way of saying them is a Tromboncino, also called a Rampicante or a Zucchini now, and they can be called by any one of those combination of names. They are actually a member of the Cuberetta Machetta family, but they're sometimes classified as a summer squash, which is generally the Cuberetta Pepito family. They do actually, if you leave them to develop, they do develop a hard skin, but generally they're eaten like a zucchini, where they're picked off as a summer squash. So as you can see, they grow very long. They normally end up with this bulbous end on them, and the seeds contained in that bulbous end. Here's one that I've just pollinated today. Now, in general, a plant will only carry one well or two not so badly. So this plant here is carrying two, and as you can see, the other females are starting to wither away. So what we've got to do is harvest one so that they can keep going on. Okay, so there is our harvested fruit. They, unlike a zucchini where it's got seeds all the way through it, down in this end, the bulbous end of it, that's where the seed tends to be on these. Whereas the upper part, much like a butternut squash or something in that ilk, is just purely flesh. So that can get cut up, sauteed tonight for dinner. They do well on a climbing frame, which is why I've got mine up on a climbing frame. Generally, once they get a bit higher, they start to take off a bit. You can see these ones here, just getting to the fence. Once they get up there, they'll take off. These ones down here haven't got up that height yet and haven't taken off yet. These ones were started from seed. These ones over here were started from seedlings. One of these ones, that one there was a seedling, that one there was a seed. So not a heck of a lot of difference between where each one gets to. It's just a matter of them getting to that right height and hitting that growth spurt. These ones here have got some pressure from the oregano, so not going so high. So now I've harvested that one off. You can see stripping a little bit of sap there. That's not a problem, that will heal over. We got that one there which is gonna die. So we'll just break that off. This one here may come back. What else have we got up here? I think that's it for the female flowers. There's one tucked in there. There's another one up there. So we'll see whether that one comes back. If so, I'll pollinate it. This one, a couple more days and that'll be ready for harvest. I don't generally keep them for storing stage. When you do store them, they will turn a yellow color, much like a butternut pumpkin, or butternut squash if you're American. And they're supposedly like a watery butternut as far as storage goes. Whereas fresh eating, they're like a drier version of a zucchini. Okay, so there we have today's breakdown on our unusual vegetable, which is the Tromboncino, Rampicante or Zucchini, whichever name they use at your local seed company. Great little plant. Get in, grow some. As you can see, growing up like this, it's a great plant for small spaces because you're basically vertically growing. All right, thank you very much everyone for watching, and bye for now.